Do you know how easy it is to make your own pita breads? Make them for sandwiches, use them for dips, anything. Let me show you. So we want 5 cups of flour. This is just plain flour. So every time I use flour in a recipe, unless I say self-raising, it's always baker's flour, which is just plain flour that has just been more finely milled. I just buy it in big 5 kilo bags. 3, 4, 5, that'll do. Next we want some salt. We want about 2 teaspoons worth of salt. I don't think I've got enough fine salt left. So I'm going to have to grate some too. Not grate, grind. Grate.